37 grams protein microwave strawberry shortcake pot. A quick, high-protein, low-calorie dessert you can make in minutes. Perfect for satisfying sweet cravings while staying on track. 1 scoop 25 grams vanilla whey protein. 20 grams oat flour or blended oats. 1/2 tsp baking powder. 1 tsp Greek yogurt 0% fat. 1 egg white or 30 grams liquid egg whites. 2 tsp almond milk or any low-calorie milk. 1/2 tsp vanilla extract. 1 tsp sweetener of choice optional. 50 grams fresh strawberries chopped. 1 tsp sweetener optional. 80 grams Greek yogurt 0% fat. 1/2 scoop 12 grams vanilla whey protein. In a microwave-safe mug or small bowl, mix oat flour, whey protein, and baking powder. Add egg white, Greek yogurt, almond milk, vanilla extract, and sweetener. Stir